Hey everyone, welcome to FFStatistics.com. Today we're going to cover how to use the player and team patterns tool here under the advanced data section of our website. So when you first click into this tool, it's going to take you to the player and team heat maps tab to start. So you can see here on the left we have some descriptions of what exactly this tool does, what a heat map is, how you read this, and there's a note here at the bottom telling you that this first heat map represents the player, or in this case the team, that we have selected, and then the second heat map represents the league average. So right now we're viewing team defense in terms of passing. You can also choose rushing, and we're looking at Arizona in 2018. So as you can see here, these are the completion percentages that they allowed compared to the league average. So on the left at the line of scrimmage, they allowed 80% passing, in the middle 84%, and the right 82%. So you can see the yard lines here on the right, middle of the field, left side of the field, right side of the field. And you can choose different ways to look at this here. So if you choose passing, you'll be able to choose between quarterbacks and receivers. So we'll choose Aaron Rodgers to start. So as you can see here, on the right side of the field, the line of scrimmage, he completed 78% of his passes. So pretty self-explanatory once you understand how to look at this, how to read this, and how to manipulate the data. So the next tab here is the running back yards per rush, and you have a graph here on the right. Blue line indicates the league average, and then you can select your running back that you'd like to view. We can look at the great Adrian Peterson here. So as you can see, the percentage of runs that gained X amount of yards. So Adrian Peterson had a high percentage of runs gained less than 5 yards compared to the league average. So that tool isn't too hard to understand. We'll go ahead to the next one here, the team stats by week. Nifty tool here. You can choose to compare as many teams in here as you want here on the left. Of course, if you choose more than 5, it gets a little cramped here on the right, but this plot is interactive, so if you hover over, you can see what exactly each data point represents. You can select your positions, so we'll take it down the quarterback here. We'll look at pass attempts. You got the raw data here below, and this is by week, so week 1 through week 17. You can see it's color coded here on the right for what teams the lines represent, and then you can choose your year that you want to look at using this slider. So hopefully after this tutorial you're able to use this tool to help you make better decisions in your fantasy football matchups. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.